Here's a convertible to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2001 Ford Mustang Cobra convertible. That 4.6 liter dual overhead cam, hand-built 32 valve V8 engine paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia, headlights, hood, of course running pony. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Riding on an aftermarket wheel, silver metallic in color, and you can see the paint shows well on this one. Just a tad over 95,000 original miles. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's not really full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, it's an 01 with 95,000 miles. You're going to find an imperfection here or there. A couple light, kind of just scratching here, but it doesn't really show up a whole lot. Of course, the gray with charcoal, leather and suede insert seats, a 5-speed manual with the center console. Of course, power convertible top, and we're going to run that up here at the end of the video. You did see it does have the parade boot or the convertible top cover on there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. Take your time looking through them. Of course, dual exhaust. And from the rear to the front on the driver's side. Again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Take a little closer look at this interior. As you can see, rear seat, nice condition. Let's come up here to the door card or door panel. Power windows, power mirrors, also power locks. Does have a power driver's seat. Take a look at the leather, and you can see there is wear on the bolster of this one. Power seat switches up front, right here. That is working. Of course, tilt and cruise. Aftermarket stereo system was a Kenwood. That is in working order. There is an amp and a sub in the trunk, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Let's fire it up. There's your gauges, all in working order, the exact miles, and as you can see, no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that, just the seat belt indicator since I don't have mine on. That Kenwood aftermarket stereo system. The rest of the dash. Slip around in the back so you hear this run. Nice sounding Cobra. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front here, pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay. Here's the underside of the hood. And here it is. Again, 4.6 liter dual overhead cam, V8 32 valve engine. These are hand built by a pair. Of course, here's the two builders. Looks pretty stock. I haven't noticed any modifications underneath there from what I've noticed. Sounds good, looks good. All right, let me go ahead and get this convertible top up. I'll be back. We'll check that out. And then remember, you can see what it's like to kind of get a little bird's eye view riding in this car with a driving video at the end. So stick around. And here it is with the top up. So black vinyl Power top appears to be the original. Now note that the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws depending on percentage of window tint darkness that you can have. Give you a heads up about that. So I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes in the top. Rear glass also tinted. Rear defogger. And how about around on the passenger side here? Top looks good there too, so it's going to serve its purpose. You need it to keep the dryer out of the sun. Not a problem. Side glass fits nicely on both sides. Be a fun convertible. 2001 Ford Mustang Cobra convertible. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Call us 507-386-1726 is the number. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Over 100 pictures online of this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2001 Ford Mustang. This car is a convertible. It is silver on the outside and black on the interior. It has a 5-speed manual right here on the center console. We have a Kenwood touchscreen radio in the dash. That sounds good, and it is working. White face gauges on this Mustang. They all appear to be working. Oil pressure is halfway up the gauge. Battery is halfway as well. Our fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank, and the temperature is 1/4 of the way up the gauge as well. We're doing 55 miles an hour, and the tachometer is about 1500 RPM. Air conditioning is blowing cold in this car, which is always an excellent feature. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays perfectly straight in the lane. Cruise control function does work on this car. Let's see how she does in the corner. Just gonna leave it in third. Oh yeah, this corner as well. Doesn't lean much at all in the corners. It is a quiet ride, even though it is a convertible and the top is up and not getting any wind noise. That's very nice. Comfortable factory bucket seats in this car. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.